Hi everyone, we're Alex and Anna, the dietitians from The Biting Truth. Welcome back to our channel.
So today we're going to be showing you guys how to create a delicious and healthy grazing platter so that you can really impress your guests.
Now we've already been shopping to get a range of ingredients, and we like to get a nice mix of fresh fruit, some fresh seasonal vegetables, a variety of crackers, some cheese, nuts and dips.
Okay, so a few things to keep in mind when it comes to creating a grazing platter. First things first, you want to think about what surface you're going to use to create the platter. So we love to use beautiful big wooden boards, and we have a variety of shapes and sizes depending on how many people we're going to be catering for.
The next thing you want to think about is making sure your boards are as colourful as possible. Remember that people really do eat with their eyes, particularly when it comes to these beautiful grazing platters. So really think about choosing bright fresh fruit as well as the types of dips. So we love to use capsicum and beetroot dip because these are really nice and bright.
Try and keep things bite-sized. So don't put anything on the platter that's going to be too awkward to eat. Most people like to eat things in generally 1 or 2 bites, so try to aim for that. So for example, if you're using something like pineapple, try and cut it up into small bite-sized pieces so it's easy for people to eat.
And remember, abundance is key when it comes to these grazing platters. You want your platter to look really nice and full, so fill it with all your little bits. You almost don't want any of the board to be seen.
All right, let's go crack open this coconut.
To start the platter, we're using a coconut filled with our favourite fruit, pineapple.
The next step is to add your cheeses and dips.
Then add the crackers in separate clumps around the board. We find it works well to lay the crackers around the dips.
Now it's time to add all of your colourful fruit and veggies. We find that the yellow of pineapples really makes your platter pop with colour.
And finally, fill in the gaps using ingredients like nuts, seeds, dried fruits, any extra crackers or breadsticks that you might have. Plus, we like to add a bit of sneaky dark chocolate.
So there you have it. That's how you create one of our delicious grazing platters.
Now the best bit, let's tuck in.